In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce to N8n in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step to ensure that by the end, you'll have a fully operational connection between WooCommerce and your N8n workflow, effortlessly automating your e-commerce processes. First things first, let's get you logged into your WordPress account. Head over to the WordPress login page and enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're in, look for the WooCommerce option in the sidebar. Click on it to open the WooCommerce settings so we can begin configuring the connection. Next, navigate your way to the WooCommerce settings. This is crucial because we'll be making some modifications to enable the API setup, a pivotal step in creating a bridge between WooCommerce and N8n. Inside the settings, locate the Advanced tab and give it a click. The Advanced tab holds many critical features, and it's where we'll find the REST API option. Now, under the Advanced settings, you'll see the REST API section. Click on this to manage your API keys. It's key to creating and managing the API credentials that will fuel the connectivity between WooCommerce and N8n. After clicking on REST API, look for the option to add key. This option initiates the process of creating new API keys needed for secure communication. As you create the key, you'll need to provide a description. The description is just a brief note to remind you why you created the key, helping you keep track of multiple keys in the future. After naming it, select a specific user. This choice determines the permissions associated with the key, so pick the user wisely according to their role and access level needs. Next, set the read-write permissions. Depending on what you intend to do with the WooCommerce data in N8n, you'll choose between read, write, or both. Choose read only if you're just fetching data, or write if you'll be sending data back. Click Generate API Key to produce your consumer key and consumer secret. These keys are the connective thread that'll allow N8n to interact seamlessly with WooCommerce. Once you have these keys, hop over to your N8n workflow. To begin building your automation, add the HTTP request node to your workflow. With this node, you're setting up the channel through which data will flow. Configure the method in your node to the appropriate HTTP verb that matches your intended action, such as get or post. Set the URL field to the specific WooCommerce REST API endpoint you aim to access. In the authentication section, opt for basic auth, entering the consumer key as your username and the consumer secret as your password. Finally, set the content type header to application/JSON to ensure proper data formatting. Add any necessary parameters or JSON body content crucial for your request. Once everything's configured, execute the node to send or fetch your data to or from WooCommerce. And there you have it, a straightforward way to connect WooCommerce to N8n. With these steps, you're now ready to automate your workflows and enjoy a more seamless e-commerce experience.